In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively cancel your subscription, whether you've decided it's time to move on or perhaps explore other options. I'll walk you through the steps needed to ensure a smooth cancellation process. Let's get started. First things first, we need to log into the account associated with your subscription. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the website. At the homepage, look towards the upper right-hand corner and you should see an option to log in. Click on it. Enter your username or registered email and your password. If you tend to forget these credentials, as we all sometimes do, you might want to consider storing them in a secure password manager. This way you can access your account effortlessly whenever needed. Once you're logged in, your focus should shift to your profile icon, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to find and select an option called Profile Settings. This is where you'll be able to adjust various aspects of your account, but today our aim is to find the pathway to canceling your subscription. After clicking on Profile Settings, you'll be taken to a new page with a variety of choices related to how your account is set up, and possibly some other settings. You'll need to scroll down a bit until you find the area titled Billing. This section is crucial because it contains all the details about your current subscription plans, payment methods, and history of transactions. Once you've accessed the billing section, you must look carefully for the option labeled Cancel Subscription. It's important to note that occasionally websites may use different terms like Manage Subscription or End Membership, so keep an open eye for those phrases in case the layout has been updated or has slight differences. After locating Cancel Subscription, click on it. A confirmation window will likely pop up. This window aims to ensure that you genuinely wish to cancel your subscription, so make sure you're ready to follow through with the decision, as any benefits tied to this subscription might cease immediately or at the end of the billing period. Often, companies might offer some alternative options to complete cancellation, like a pause instead of a full cancel, or even a special discount to retain you as a customer. Review whatever offers are presented so you fully understand the consequences of canceling at this point. Once you're absolutely sure about your decision, proceed by confirming through that pop-up prompt. Make sure to check for any final confirmation emails or messages to ensure your cancellation was processed correctly. Also, you may want to save a copy of any cancellation confirmation for your records. It's just a good habit to keep track of communication and actions involving subscriptions. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough guide on how to cancel your subscription. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more videos guiding you through a variety of tech-related questions and procedures. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.